I suddenly felt some liquid touch my foot. My heart skipped a beat, and I jumped up to check. Turns out, it was the damn chicken in the yard that had knocked over a jar. But here's the weird part. How the hell could a single jar of milk spread this far? And the milk kept coming, like it just wouldn't stop. I walked over and held the jar in my hands, staring at it for ages. Nothing seemed wrong. I thought, screw it, and poured the rest of the milk into an empty bucket. Less than 10 seconds later, the bucket was full. I looked down, and the jar hadn't lost a drop. My heart skipped again. Could it fucking produce milk on its own? I quickly aimed it at a bigger bucket. Soon enough, that bucket was full too. But when I finally tipped the jar completely upside down, the milk vanished. I thought it through carefully, and guessed it might be about the angle. So I tried filling it halfway and tested again. Bingo! I nailed it. Keep the jar at a 45-degree angle, and the milk just keeps flowing. Before long, every container in my house was overflowing with milk. I grinned so hard I showed all 30 of my teeth. I knew right then, this shit was a goddamn fortune. With this magical jar, I went from being an ordinary milk worker to the richest milk tycoon in town. But of course, sudden wealth attracts attention. One stormy night, 2 thieves sneaked into my mansion, aiming to steal the treasure jar. The noise quickly roused the security. Panicking, the thieves tried to flee, slipped, and the jar flew right into the raging river. A week later, an old lady accidentally pulled it out. At first, she didn't notice anything special about the jar, but when she put some dry food inside, miracles happened. The food kept multiplying. She could feel the scent of wealth in the air, so she tossed in a bill.